Daddy
and
Kittens!
Hello everyone! Today we'll make... What do we make?
Glasses!
Yes! We will make glasses with colored lenses. To make glasses with the colored lenses we need transparent foil.
Cardboard, scissors, don't forget.
Yes, you cannot use the scissors if your parents
Not around.
not around. Yes, we need double-sided sticky tape. We need bottle cap. We need permanent markers. And we need glasses, so we can redraw the shape, so our glasses will fit very well. Are you ready? Go!
Red. Green. Blue. Yellow.
Hi, hello! Now I'm pink! I like pink!
Wow. Purple.
Are you ready for a surprise?
Yeah.
We have rainbow glasses! Ah!
Rainbow. Sponsored by IQ English.